Just kind of going back on it, we've definitely seen it kind of start years ago with just even the low carb trend, but it's really become a way of life for people now. And so we kind of have a background on that a little bit to start with. In today's society, we see a lot of GLP-1 usage. And so I think, is what has really started this whole trajectory of people really changing just the way that they're eating. And we know that the bread industry, I mean, bread is a staple. People have been eating bread forever. And so that's where we've seen things like where people are wanting to get more protein. They're wanting higher fiber. They're wanting less sugar, all while tasting how they've remembered. Lot of testing so far, just trying to see, because even though companies may have a very similar ingredient to each other, we've noticed that they do have different results at the end. So a lot of that is just kind of figuring out, okay, which ingredient works best in our products.